day. Welcome to Advanced Chemistry. Today, we will be learning something fun. At the end of this video, you should be able to define hydrocarbon and classify aliphatic from aromatic hydrocarbons. Are you ready? If yes, you can raise your hands and make a thumbs up. But if not, you should be ready because we will build your vocabularies. Guess the word. You will be given 5 seconds to guess the word. First word. Very good. It's aliphatic. Second word. Very good. It's aromatic. Third word. That's right. It's saturated. Fourth word. That's correct. It's carbon. And the last word. Awesome! It's hydrogen. You got it right. Those are some of the words that you will encounter in this video lesson. The simplest organic compounds are hydrocarbons, which contain only the elements carbon and hydrogen. If you have ridden a car or a bus, you have used hydrocarbons, the gasoline and diesel fuel that are used in cars, trucks, and buses are hydrocarbons. How many different compounds do you think two elements can form? You might guess that only a few compounds are possible. Hydrocarbon is classified into two: aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbon do not contain benzene ring, while aromatic hydrocarbon contain one or more benzene ring. This is the structure of a benzene ring with the formula C6H6. As you can see, benzene has an alternating double bond. Aliphatic hydrocarbon is classified into two: saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon consists of a single band only, while unsaturated hydrocarbon consists of double or triple band. Saturated hydrocarbon can be alkane or cycloalkane. Alkane is in the form of a chain, while cycloalkane is in a form of closed loops. Unsaturated hydrocarbon can be alkenes or alkynes. Alkenes consist of a double band, while alkyne consists of a triple bond. Alkanes are hydrocarbons that contain only single bands. Have you ever used a Bunsen burner or an outer gas grill? If so, you have used an alkane. Natural gas and propane are the two most common gases used in these applications, and both are alkanes. For alkanes, the relationship between the numbers of carbon and hydrogen atom can be expressed as CnH2n plus 2, where N is equal to the number of carbon atoms in the alkane. Unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain one or more double covalent bonds between carbon atoms in a chain are called alkenes. Because an alkane must have a double band between carbon atoms, there is no one carbon alkene. The simplest alkene has two carbon atoms double bonded to each other. The general formula for alkene is CnH2n. Unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain one or more triple bonds between carbon atoms in a chain are called alkynes. Triple bonds involve the sharing of three pairs of electrons. The simplest and most commonly used alkyne is ethyne, or C2H2, which is widely known by its common name acetylene. Alkynes with one triple covalent bond form a homologous series with the general formula CnH2n-2. I'm going to show you a list of prefixes used to name hydrocarbon. This prefixes stands for the number of carbon in each organic compound. We have met, et, prop, bute, pent, hex, hep, oct, non, dec. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In naming hydrocarbons, we will be using these prefixes plus the ending of each hydrocarbon. For alkanes, we're going to end it with "ane". For alkene, "in", and for alkyne, "ine". Like for example, under alkane, I have 2 carbon atoms. What do you think is the name of that alkane? Very good. It's ethane, because of the prefix "eth", which is 2 carbon atoms, plus the suffix "ane" for alkane. What about under alkenes? I have 2 carbon atoms. What do you think is the name of that alkene? Very good. It's ethene, because of the prefix "et", which is 2 carbon atoms, plus the suffix "in" for alkene. That is ethene.
Let's say I have a triple bond with 2 carbon atoms. What do you think is the name of that alkyne? Very good. It's ethyne, because of "et", which means 2, plus "ine", which is the suffix for alkyne.
I have here a plastic ball and stick that will be used to illustrate a molecular model of different hydrocarbons. I want to assess your learning. Say true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. First statement says, hydrocarbon contains carbon and hydrogen. True or false? The answer is true. Aliphatic hydrocarbon contains a benzene ring. True or false? The answer is false. Benzene ring is for aromatic hydrocarbon. The formula for alkane is CnH2n. True or false? The answer is false. CnH2n is for alkene. Alkene contains double bond. True or false? The answer is true. The simplest alkyne is methane. True or false? The answer is false. The simplest alkyne is ethyne.